Hi, here we talk how we can use library with ChatGPT or DeepSeek, because library have not some good uh, documentation, so we can use it from ChatGPT and using helping from ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Let's we do, for example, candlestick. Provide essential for candlestick chart analysis. This is good. Detects a bullish engulfing. Okay, let's we check read this document and make for me a simple indicator with it. Okay, so let's see what will happen. There are two responses here, so we try to copy and paste on DeepSeek. Here the simple version. Let's we copy this, for example, come here, paste and save, import version 6. Okay, so first there should be version 6. The default parameter cannot accept no. Input float. For example, just as an example. Let's see what happened. Add it to chart to see what will happen. Okay, we have some background and nothing else. Let's check DeepSeek. Change it to 6. Input.int should be input.int. Syntax error y, maybe syntax error. Label.new. What is label.new? So what is this? This text? It's wrong. We should delete them. Delete. Let's see. Okay, yeah, no, it give us some good thing. This is doji, also bowling golf, doji, wearing golf, bowling golf, white. What is this? Is not bowling golf. Okay, so something here is wrong, because it's also on bar index and high. It's wrong. It should show us when we have a inside. So here if we say if inside the bar, for example, show this, let's be, or if doji show this, we comment the rest because we want to check. Yeah, this is inside, this is doji, correct. Okay, so here has DeepSeek was better actually. Let's see this one. this is totally wrong. I think it's totally wrong. I don't know, because I think it's totally wrong. Yeah, it doesn't understand. Okay, so far this was better. Let's find another way, a better way. Okay, so because this had some problem, we fixed it. We go here, we copy, and we come here. For example, open this. We copy and we come here. We open new chat. We upload here. We say this is a PineScript library. Use it and make a simple indicator for me. Okay, so we wait until it analyze. Okay, simple candle pattern. It trying to okay, it just give us import the library rank. Import the library is 2, but here is gave us, this is one problem, but it's not an important problem. If we say okay, no, it's give us collect. Let's collect. Let's see. No need alert. Already give us alert too. Okay, we copy. Here we come to paste. We just need to replace. This is wrong. We just come and yeah. Here this is correct. Okay. But here we should add as for example x. So here we should write x dot is hammer. X dot is x dot and x dot. Okay, style is rank shape dot square shape dot start. What is shape dot square or shape dot triangle dot? Let's check. Okay, yeah, it's good. Seems it. Yeah, bullish engulf. We want, for example, just bullish engulf. All of these are bullish engulf. Yeah, we, for example, want hammer, or we want just, I don't know, invert hammer, or less, for example, morning star, evening star. Morning star, yeah, here is rectangle. Morning star, we can change it. It is morning star, this is evening star. Okay, so with this method you can use any library quickly.